I'm Alicia Falcorton from the Princess Pollywog Boutique, and I sell Paisley Raye. Today I'm going to give you a plus-size princess review of the Paisley Raye poppy dress. This cute swing dress is perfect for any occasion. A casual lunch date with the girls, a PTA meeting, or even a date night with your guy. It's got a shallow scoop neck and a 10-inch sleeve, which is the perfect length for some of us plus-size girls that don't really like to show our arm fat up here. I'm wearing my true size, an 18-20, which is a 1X in Paisley Raye's clothing line. The hem hits me just above my knee in the front, and the high-low hem makes it go below my knee in the back. So it's not so long that I feel like I'm wearing a super long tail. And you could definitely size up one if you want it to go just a little bit longer. But I really like my true size because it adds just a little bit of curve right at my natural waistline. So nothing's hugging, but I also feel like it's still giving me a feminine shape. The Paisley Raye Poppy has become my favorite go-to dress for everyday wear. It is plus size friendly. It gets a 10 out of 10 out of my book. A must have for your plus size wardrobe. So that's it for this plus size princess review. If you like this review and want to see more, make sure you subscribe to this channel and we'll catch you next time.